Yeah, good evening everyone. Welcome to Akshar Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Right. So until previous we have discussed about the integers topic, right? Like prime numbers, composite numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, successor and predecessor. Am I right, children? Do we discuss about prime number and composite number? Okay. So right. So successor, predecessor, you got it right. Now every even number is in the form of 2n. Is in the form of 2n, where n is a natural number. Where n is a natural number. And a set of natural numbers. You know natural numbers, right? Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Okay, very good. So every even number is in the form of 2n. So for example, I want 7th even number. I want 7th even number. That means n value is 7. So 7th even number is, substitute. What is the formula of even number? 2n. That means all the even numbers are in the form of 2n, right? So 2 into, in the place of n we should write 7. Then I can find 7th even. So this bracket indicates multiplication symbol. 2 sevens are 14. So 7th even number we can find by using the formula. That means if you observe any even number, we discussed already, they are exactly divisible by 2, nothing but they are all multiples of 2 only. They are all multiples of 2. Very good. Same way, odd numbers also having one form, right? Odd numbers also must have one form. Like even numbers 2n, odd numbers are in the form of 2n minus 1. Or you can take 2n plus 1 also. If you take 2n plus 1, n must be a whole number. N is a whole number. So if you take 2n minus 1, n is natural number. N is natural number. That means if you substitute n value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number in the formula 2n minus 1, the answer will be definitely an odd number. Definitely a odd number. Okay, na? Now let us discuss some points regarding to the even number and odd number. Even number and odd number. Yeah. Now let us see some properties of even number. That means if you add two even numbers, what number will come? Sum of two even numbers. Yeah, sum of two even numbers is, let us check. Example, I am taking an even number 16, another even number 10. Both are even numbers because both will exactly divisible by 2. Sum means what? Add, addition. So add both of them. What will get? 26. 26 is even number or odd number? Even number only. So sum of two even numbers is always even. Sum of two even numbers is always even. Okay, na? Yeah. Now what about product? What about product? Product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. Yeah, product of two even numbers is even only. When you multiply any two even numbers, you will get an even number. Like 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24. Here 4 is an even number, 6 also a even number. So product of two even numbers is 24. 24 also even number. So from this these two statements, sum of two even numbers is even, product of two even numbers is even. Now let us check one even number, one odd number. Let us check one even number and one odd number. Third point, sum of one even number and one odd number. Sum of one even number, one odd number. The answer is odd number. Let us check with the example. Okay, na? So take any one of the even number 8, one of the odd number 7. Add both of them. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 is even number or odd number? Definitely odd number, because 15 is not exactly divisible by 2. 15 is not exactly divisible by 2. Even numbers means they must be divisible by 2. Clear? Same even numbers. Both are even numbers. Answer is even. Product also. Multiply both even numbers. They are also even. But here I changed. One even number, one odd number I added. What is coming? Odd number. Same like sum is completed. Now multiplication. Yeah, product of a even number and a odd. Product of a even number and odd number is always even. Is always even. Let us check that. Same, 8 into 7. 8 7s are 56. 10 9s are 90. Whatever. So product of a even number. When you multiply any number with even number, it gives only even. It gives only even. Got it? Now let us check that sum of two odd numbers. So first I have taken two even numbers. Their sum, their product completed. One even, one odd. Sum, product completed. Now both odd numbers. Sum of two odds. Sum of two odd numbers is. Let us check that. I am taking an odd number is 5. Another odd number is 13. Add both of them. Sum means addition. Sum will gives how much? 18. 18 is even number or not? Very good. So 18 is even number. Sum of two even numbers even. Two odd numbers even. One odd, one even only gives odd. Remaining all situations, see, we got even only. All the answers. Only one situation, one odd number, one even number. Addition. Sum is odd number. Remaining all situations, we got even. Now same way, product of two odd numbers. Product of two odds is odd number. Product of two odd numbers is odd. See the example. 5 into 13. 65. 65 is an odd number. Only two cases odd numbers, remaining all even numbers. What are the two cases here? Sum of one odd number, one even number, and product of two odd numbers. Clear, children? Yeah, please write it. Please write it. Yeah, okay, children. Now, for using these conditions, let us check some problems. Okay, na? Right. Yeah, listen, children. For example, we are learning the conditions. What? Sum of one even number, one odd number gives only odd. and sum of two even numbers even, sum of two odd numbers is odd number. Okay. Now do this sum. What is the sum of 6, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8. Now I am giving three numbers. Okay, na? What are the three numbers? Let us check. Your options are, for this question, options are answer even, option B odd number, option C neither nor. Neither even nor odd, both. It should not be equals to both of them. Let us check. One even, one odd gives odd number. We don't need to add all of them. One even, one odd gives odd. This odd number, this even number. One odd, one even. Odd plus even what? Odd number. Odd plus even is odd number. So answer is odd. Okay, na? Right. Next. Find this one. Find this one. One even number, one odd number. Only the same options A, B, C. A is even, B is odd, C is even. Yes, just remember the conditions. We discussed the maximum 6 conditions. So out of them only two are odd numbers, remaining all even. What are the two? One odd number, one even number. If you add, it will give the odd number. And product of two odd numbers, that is also odd. Remaining all even only, no? Yeah, what is the first one? First number is ending with the digit. What is it? 8. 8 is even number or not? Yes, 8 is even number. So this entire number is even number. Last number, see, second one, 481. 1 is odd number. 1 is odd number. So this is odd. So one even, one odd. If you multiply any number with even number, it always gives even. It always gives an even number. Okay, no? Right. Now, we already discussed about some problems like predecessor and successor. Now, let me give the difference of, very important question, children. Very important. The difference of successor. The difference of successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor of any number or any natural number. Your options are, I am not given any numbers here to find the successor or to find the predecessor. I did not give any number. But I am asking the question difference. Difference means what? Difference means, yeah, subtraction. So difference of successor and predecessor of a number is, options are A value 0, option B 1, option C is 2. Just think about it. Okay, if you don't understand this concept, let us take any number. I said any number. Take any number. Now I am taking 209. Let us find the successor. What is the successor of 205? Sorry, 209. Successor means immediately next number, right? 209 after 210. Same number predecessor. What is the predecessor of 209? Immediately before number. 209 before 208. Difference. Difference means subtraction. What is the answer? 2. So if you take any number, the difference of its successor and predecessor is always 2. Is always 2. Okay, no? Good. And how the even numbers will be, in which form even numbers will be? 2n. Which form? Yeah, 2n. Odd numbers, 2n minus 1 or 2n plus 1. So I gave you only 2n minus 1. Very good. Now, right children, very important one. Sum of first n. Sum of first n. Can you see the board? I'm writing it long. Yeah. Sum of first n even numbers. Sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. Sir, first n even numbers means what, sir? N means any natural number. First 5 natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 even numbers, what are first 5? Example I will take. For example, same question, sum of first 5 even numbers. First 5 even numbers. That means in the place of n, I use the sentence 5. Okay? 5 even numbers. What are first 5 even numbers? First even number is 2. 2 after even number 4, 6, 8, 10. These are first 5 even numbers. Sum means addition. Add all of them. What is the answer? 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 4 plus 6, 10, 30. Answer is 30. If you add it directly like this, you will get answer 30. In case, if it is asked that sum of first 2000 even numbers. 2000 even numbers means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus and so on. 4000 you will write like that. Right? How much time it will take? Yes. For that, we are using the formula n into n plus 1. N into n plus 1. Same 5 numbers I am doing by using the formula C. In the place of n, what we have to write? Very good. 5. Okay? Bracket. N plus 1. N value 5. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 value how much? 5 plus 1 value 6. So your bracket indicates multiplication symbol, right? Yeah. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. See, while adding like this, if you use the formula, simple answer. Okay. Now example 2. Same question. Sum of first 26 even numbers. This formula only for even numbers. Even numbers, underline. How many even numbers? 26. Formula what? Apply the formula. In the place of n, we should write how many? 26. Very good. So 26 into n plus 1 value? 26 plus 1. 26 into 26 plus 1 is 27. What is the answer, children? Yeah, 576 plus 26. 602. Answer is 602. Am I right? So actually it is 702. Okay? Yeah. 26 multiply with 27. you will get the answer 702. Okay. Now, for only one problem, same question, I am not writing the entire question. This time, sum of first 10 even numbers. First 10 even numbers, sum. Tell me the answer. Only 1 minute time to you all. Okay, na? Right. Same formula, n into n plus 1, where n value is 10. So 10 into 10 plus 1. Every time I am not writing 10 plus 1 like it. 10 plus 1, 11 we know. So 11 tens are 110. Your answer will be 110. Okay, children? Good. Next. So, some rules you learn, sum of two even numbers, sum of one even number, one odd number, product of two even numbers, product of one even, one odd. Okay, na? So, you just did all the points. And this is also important, sum of first n even numbers. Sum of first n even numbers. Very good. Next one. Same concept for odd numbers also we should apply, right? For that also having formula. Yeah. Sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Is n square. Okay, let us see one example. I am taking first three odd numbers. First odd number 1. Second odd number 3, third odd number is 5. Okay, first one 1, second odd number 3, third odd number is 5. Add all of them. Answer 9. Answer 9. 9 is nothing but 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 into 3 means 3 square. Here n square is nothing but n into n. So if you don't remember like this n square, if you don't know about n square, n cube like that, this n square write it as n into n. Remember like this. There is n into n plus 1. Here n into n only. Okay, na? Yeah. Let us example find the first question. Now sum of 12. What 12? First 12. First 12 odd numbers. Simply 12 into 12. Instead of taking 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Instead of taking all this for writing, while you're writing like this, it will finish the answer. 12 12s are 144. 12 12s are 144. Okay, na? Now your task. Now your task. Yeah. Sum of, example 2. Sum of first 17 odd numbers. Find the children. Find the answers. 17 odd numbers. Multiply 17 into 17. 17 17s are How much? 289. Okay, na? Yeah. Next. Okay. So I'm writing the concepts what you are learning. So even number formula 2n. That means every even number is in the form of 2n. And every odd number is in the form of 2n minus 1 or 2n plus 1, any one of the formula. Okay. Next, 6 conditions. Sum of 2 even numbers. Sum of 2 even numbers is even. Sum of 2 odd numbers. Sum of 2 odd numbers also even. One even number, one odd number. Odd. Okay, na? Now product of 2 even numbers. Even. Product of 2 odd numbers. Here E means even, O means odd. You remember like that. Okay. For writing instead of all the sentences, I am just revising like this. Product of odd numbers. Odd numbers what? Odd? Yeah. One even number, one odd number is even. Only these two conditions you should check. Okay, na? Sorry, not this. This one. Remaining all situations gives only even number. Now, yeah, coming to last 2 questions. Sum of first n even numbers. Formula 1, n into n plus 1. Same way, sum of first n odd numbers. N square. So once you revise all these points, okay, yeah, that's it for today. We'll meet in next maths class. Thank you, one and all children.